good morning from the bush. And I wake up and look what is right outside my door. Are here. Oh.
Good morning call.
Right. Say good morning.
Oh, maybe the male one.
Yeah.
Say y'all came to give us a wake up call. Why, thank you. Oh, baby, you're so cute. I love the fur babies.
I'm a jet set girl and I'm flying around the world. I'm a jet set girl and the party goes all night long. And I fly, fly, fly around the world. And I fly, 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 fly around. It's my life, life, life. My life's a show. It's my life, life, life. My life.
Alrighty, so I am here at the meeting point. We're waiting for the rest of my tour group and my tour manager because we made it to the bush and we are about to do our very first safari. So, interesting facts. We left Cape Town. Cape Town was like 60 degrees or so. Out here in the bush, baby, it's 90, okay? But the reason why I have on long sleeves, number one, mosquitoes are real. Even though I have my insect repellent, we want to make sure we're doing our due diligence. In addition to that, I definitely want to make sure that even though I do have on sunscreen, once again doing due diligence, ain't nobody got time for skin cancer or to be sunburned. All right, and last but not least, I just want to point out that I definitely, I'm feeling like I'm representing my daddy right about now. I actually bought this hat for him. But when I got out here to the bush and realized I need all the shade I can get, so I'm definitely wearing my dad's gift. So shout out to my daddy, Al. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and ready for this tour. As the bus rode into the lodge area, we got to see some giraffes. We saw a few impalas. We saw Bambi, a few deers. We saw antelope, baboons, of course. So yeah, this is all about, you know, just meeting the animals in their natural habitat, seeing if we can, you know, see them do what they do. You know, it would be just absolutely phenomenal if we did see, you know, a little kill. But yeah, all in all, excited to be in the bush.
And baby, you just sitting there.
Leaning a bit down. Will other animals come here to drink with this kind of protection here?
You know, seeing as the mafia has taken over this watering hole, you know, they might have to pay like a taxes or something. So it's not likely that they'll stay here the whole time. They might move off because they will want to keep an element of surprise. So they might go into that tree line there to the back so that they can set an ambush for maybe something that does come drink water. So we often see like the zebras, the wildebeest, impala, kudu, they all come drink at a point here throughout the day. So now that they've had their drink and they have rested a little bit, they will maybe wait throughout the day to see what comes down to drink, and then they'll set an ambush.
Nature.
Ambush position. Pretty tiny there.
I think he spotted the cheetahs. It's like, oh snap.
I'm good.
Right. Like, man,
Oh, he's still moving.
I'm thirsty, but I'm not that thirsty.
Guys. We are being too loud, sorry. Leon, I just want to see what that ORX is going to do because he's coming.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Wow, look at Wow. And then
Oh well, just kidding.
Right.
I'm coming back to make another run for the water.
seriously, mommy is laying there still because she knows that they are not
Too far.
efficient enough to hunters to take down something as big as a male oryx. They are tough animals, and then of course the horns as well, which are very, very dangerous. So that cub is very brave to try and take on a fully grown oryx.
So that's Simba just saying, I can't wait.
Yeah, you know,
Like a teenager, you know how they are.
Right.
Even Loco might be the better one.
And almost like teasing him.
Mm-hmm.
You see something shady across the street, you don't go to their side.
Right. He thinking like I was already thirsty. Now I done did a run.
They would have tried, yes. It would be a very difficult animal to take down for one single cheetah, but if it was multiple, like the coalition that we saw yesterday, then it is a possibility that they could have taken him down. But even then it would be very
Get a butterfly.
yeah.
Here's Pumbaa.
Good to keep the grass in the lawn low.
We're going to go first. Yeah, that's not the side.
Show he bootylicious.
Alright. So but I don't see anything if you go around the yeah, we'll go that side.
So this is a male.
This is a male, yeah. So your male warthogs have 4 warts. So those 4 on each side are 2. So just below the eye and between the tusk and the eye. See they've got those humps on the face? Those are the warts that they're talking about. So the top tusks they'll use to dig into the ground to pick up the roots. And then if the roots are too strong for it to break, then he'll use the secondary tusk, which is on the bottom jaw, and then put that one underneath it to like break it or cut it. That one is usually very, very sharp. Yeah.
It's just more comfortable.
To reach the grass.
Yeah. The neck's not long
The
enough.
neck is not that long.
I also don't think it can bend that far down
Yeah.
as well.
So smart.
life.
Yep, there it goes.
Right.
Upright road.
It's all about the impact on the head itself. one's, yeah,